See, this is why, right there, this is why I read the directions. Yes, because then who are you going to blame when things don't go right? Yourself. That's how I look at it anyway. Hi, guys. So I got myself a little portable washing machine, and I'll tell you why. So for now, I'm just going to unbox it. So here we go. That's so cute. That is adorable. And it doesn't weigh much more than my crock pot. OMG, guys. How cute is that? It's going to go right in my tub because I don't know about you guys. But I probably take 99.9% of my showers either at the gym or at the pool, locker room. I probably take one shower a month here in the apartment, so I can deal with taking it out of the tub for that 2 seconds out of the month for a quick shower. Yes, I love it. I'm going to do my first load today. I'm guessing the manual was probably shoved in the bottom somewhere, but we'll see. Yeah, I'm one of those people that has to read the whole manual before they'll do anything with it. That's me. Okay, I am excited, and I just can't hide it. Here we go. It comes with a little manual. It comes with a little tightener for the hoses. Yes, 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 yes. So, if you find water stains, it is just left behind by testing. It has been tested by professionals. Note the maximum water level in the bucket and make sure it's not exceeded. Check. When the actual amount of water exceeds, the load can cause the washing machine to not work properly. Okay. All right. And then more directions. And this looks like you could peel it off and stick it on something. It's got that appearance of, like, I would like to just stick this right on the washer. So I just might do that. And then here's the actual machine model number with a QR code. And I'm going to read this. It shows you all the different parts, how to install them. Install it in the firmly and smooth place. Okay. Connect the intake pipe method. Oh my goodness, that's hilarious. Then it tells you about taking coins and things out of your garments before you wash them. Choose your method. Second washing. Perform the washing procedure 2 times. All right. It's all pretty straightforward. Clean the lint filter. I'm wondering how loud it's going to sound. I know my downstairs neighbor can't hear it because it's only about as loud as my exhaust fan. So I've got it on normal. I put it for between 5 and 6 minutes to start with. And here we are. It's agitating the clothes. I just put a tiny, tiny bit of detergent in there. And the clothes that I put in were really not terribly dirty anyway. So let's see. All right, it's spinning now. Pretty quiet. I did kind of stand there and hold it still for the first 2 seconds. And I did try to make sure that I put everything in there fairly even. And a few of the items I just squeezed them out a little bit by hand before putting them in there. So that all might have helped a little. I did not wash any towels in this load. And I had originally washed a one-piece bathing suit in the wash cycle. But then I was like, normally I don't really wash these traditionally that way anyway. I usually wash them in the shower with soap when I take them off. So, and then I just let them air dry. So I took it out and I'm going to just let it air dry. But aside from that, I mean, the only thing I wasn't aware of was that the drain spout has to be down or it won't drain. So I did get some water on the bathroom floor, but that's the whole reason I'm doing this in the bathroom is because you can, step out of the shower and get the floor wet without worrying about damage. So here we are. We're doing our second spin. Okay, guys, so I got everything out of the bin and the drum. And I'm able to hang up stuff. I could fit another couple of hangers, really, if I had like a skirt or a dress. I'm happy with it. It was just, the cord was just long enough to reach, if I have it facing away from me, just long enough to reach to my plug. And the drain, all I have to do is just let it drain down into the tub. So I'm going to give it a big thumbs up. So far, so good. I did spill some water that I had to mop up with my towel, but in general, I'm happy with it. And when the time comes that I have to do towels and sheets, pillowcases, etc., then it won't bother me so much to have to spend, $3.50 to do wash and dry a load of those once a month. But in the meantime, every other day, I could easily do this and keep up with the clothes I wear and the wash rags and dish towels and stuff. And since my electricity is included in my rent, it's not going to raise my rent, raise my utility costs. So I'm really happy with it. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this little washing machine unboxing and demo, and have a great day.